Today we are going to be exploring the article about Report Slams Child Labor in Tobacco Fields. Remember that this is an expository nonfiction text and its purpose is to inform the readers. In this article, we are being informed about child labor in tobacco fields in the United States. In order to help us understand the situation, the author made deliberate choices about how he wrote the article. I've included this article in your Google Forms. So when I'm done with this video, go ahead and read the form or read the first 7 paragraphs, which are these ones right over here on the first page, and then answer the following questions. This section that you're going to read includes general information about the dangers faced by the children working in U.S. tobacco fields, and it also includes quotations from 2 child workers who were interviewed for the Human Rights Watch report. In the 3rd paragraph, Elena G., 13, describes getting sick from nicotine exposure. In the last paragraph in this section, Jocelyn R., 17, tells about her struggle to breathe and the sneezing she experienced as a result of the pesticides sprayed in the nearby fields. Reread those quotations after you've to answer your question, and then answer the question in the forums about why do you think the author included quotations from these 2 children in the article.